हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। और आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए आई हैव सेलेक्टेड टू स्टॉक्स। वन इज सुप्रिया लाइफ साइंस एंड द सेकेंड स्टॉक इज Jujit Financial Services. So let's see how these charts of these two stocks is doing. So this is the daily chart of Supriya Life Science. As we can see, like the after having this breakout formation, cup with handle formation, the stock has actually extended higher, and it has been doing good from past 1.5 months. We can see here it has gained around 43% in just 43 days, which is actually a decent gain. And there is no sign of weakness so far. And if you look at the volume profile, that is also good. And if you talk about its price strength, which is 82, and its buyer demand is A plus. If you talk about its number of funds holding, that has also increased to 51.79 in the last quarter. The next stock is Jujit Financials. So Jujit Financials also, like after having this cup with handle pattern, handle formation breakout, the stock has extended higher, or it has gained significant, almost around 48% in 35 days, which is actually good in very short span of time, you can say. And the stock was having support near its 100 DM, and after that we have seen that buying interest emerges, and the stock has actually risen towards upside. If there is no sign of weakness so far, and the stock has also entered in the uncharted territory. If you talk about its EPS strength, it is 94, and its buyer demand is A plus. And if you talk about it number of fund holdings in the last quarter, it has increased to 18.42%. So thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet again next day with another chart. Thank you so much.